Hello everyone, welcome to the Hues. This video is going to be about product review. Recently I have bought few things from Club Factory app for the first time. Most of the things are jewelry pieces and few miscellaneous things. So in today's video I'm going to share the review of these things. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you have any feedback, question, query, suggestion regarding the video or regarding my channel. Also let me know if you need direct link of any of these products. I will immediately share it with you. Beautiful golden anklet. This thing has these tiny golden triangles hanging on it, attached with these pins, and it looks like this when you wear it. Yeah, like this. So it's beautiful. In fact, I was regretting the decision of buying one piece. I should have bought two pieces so that I can wear it like a typical Indian anklet, like the ladies and girls wear in India, in both the legs. So maybe I'll buy another piece again. You can wear it as a bracelet, as anklet, and again it's adjustable. The quality is okay. I won't say very good because in some of the triangles I can see some very light faded kind of spots, if you can see here. Right, so the quality is okayish, but I'm happy with it. I've bought this anklet for 100 rupees and the current price is 125. Next is this beautiful delicate leaf shaped anklet, and I've bought it for 67 rupees and the current price is 77 rupees. So there were two colors available, golden and silver. I've got this golden one. You can use it as an anklet and as a bracelet, both. It will go well with your traditional and western outfits. It's so delicate, it's so pretty, and it looks so classy. You can adjust it as per the size of your wrist or ankle. I like it very much. Next thing here is this Tibetan kada or bangle or cuff bracelet. This has some elephant carving on it. If you can notice, there is a tiny tree, then elephant, then a tiny cloud, and so on. So this thing is silver in color, made up of some metal, and I have bought it for 85 rupees. The current price is 102 rupees, 102. It's not very thick, but okayish kind of thick, and the quality is also okay. But yeah, again, keeping in mind the price which I have paid for this, I find it good. Yes, I like the design very much. The carving is very neat and clean. Next is this super cool set of bohemian rings. There are 9 pieces, and there are big rings, small rings, and medium sized rings. And they look super cool when you wear it. And if you can notice, see, there's a cactus shape, then a little blue triangle, 2-3 rings which has this arrow kind of thing on them. Yeah, like this. And they are turquoise blue in color. They are not adjustable, but they fit absolutely fine on my fingers. Talking about the quality, they are bohemian rings, so they're supposed to look this way. They are absolutely fine as per me. They are supposed to look this rustic, rough kind of thing. So I guess the quality is good. And just one thing, that they should be adjustable so that you don't have to worry whether they'll fit to you or not. Another golden anklet. This one has 2 layers. One of them is having this golden pearls with white pearls, and the second one is having this infinity kind of sign. And as far as the quality of this thing is concerned, it is good, but I want to mention here that there are supposed to be 3 pearls in this line, but I have 2 and one of them is broken, although I have the broken pieces in the same zip bag in which it came. But yeah, I've received it broken, and I have earlier seen in 2-3 YouTube videos as well that people are complaining or are talking about broken jewelry pieces received from Glove Factory. So I think Glove Factory should do something about this thing regarding the safety of their products during transportation. And the last link of this chain is also broken, if you can see it here. Although this won't make much difference, because anyways I'm not going to use the last link, I use somewhere here, but still the product is not intact, it is in broken condition. The price on which I have purchased this thing is 88 rupees, and the current price is 102 rupees. And I have selected golden color. There were 2 colors, golden and silver. I have selected golden, and this is not a golden, this is a kind of rustic or dull gold, or a mix of dull gold and rose gold. This is not a bright golden color, which I like. Next is this 3-layered silver color neck piece, and again with some bohemian and antique kind of look. It is 3-layer. The shortest one is having some half moon sort of design with something carved on it. The second layer is having some beads, and the third one is this chain, long chain. So, but again this looks good with Western and Indian outfits both, but look best with Western outfits. When I bought this, the MRP was 95 rupees, 95, but I believe the current price is 120. If we talk about the quality of necklaces is far better than that of bracelets or anklets that I have bought. And this is again adjustable. This hook has a long extended chain. You can adjust it as per your requirement or as per your size. Try to zoom it in so that you can notice the quality of this necklace. Again, a layered piece of necklace, and this one is my favorite jewelry amongst all because of the color. Color is not a common one. There were 3 colors available: antique gold plated and silver plated and black gun plated, which is kind of gunmetal grey. So this is gunmetal grey, and this is also a layered one. If you can see, there are 2 different layers. One is only chains. There are 3 chains in this layer, and the other one is this, which has this beautiful leaves, and again the quality is very good. I've bought it for 95 rupees I believe, and the current price is 128 rupees, 128. I don't know why the price has changed so quickly. I've bought all these things I guess 15 to 20 days back, and I was out of station, so couldn't do the review immediately. And this looks very good with Western outfits of light color. We'll go with some light floral prints as well. Next thing here is these collar pins in the shape of leaves. These are made up of some metal with golden polish on it. This has 2 pin kind of things. Fix it with this thing over here, like this. You can tighten it and it's secured on your apparel. So actually I bought it for my casual shirts collar, but later on I thought that it can be used like on the neckline of any of your dresses, on the sleeves of any of your dresses, so you can use it as per your choice. But yes, do remember that before washing your apparel or cloth, take them off, because these are made up of some kind of metal, so this polish may be removed if you will wash them.